everybody. Happy Friday. Oh my gosh, the days go by so fast. Yeah, the days are long, the years are short, or the years are, but some days go by fast, especially in this hot market, huh? What are we doing today? Let's get right into it. Today we have just listed 193 homes, which is phenomenal. I haven't seen that number. I can't tell you when. We put 99 under contract, and we had 112 closings. And we have almost 24 days of inventory, 23.9. That's close enough for me. So every day this week has gotten better and better. The past 10 days. How phenomenal. We have 2,973 available single family homes, and 1,013 of those are under 400,000. And that's, there's variety out there. Which is really good. 1,013 single family homes under 400,000. And yesterday you listed 68 single family homes under 400,000. So you listed 112. 193 you listed yesterday, and 68 of those were under 400,000. So that tells me the price point's going up there pretty high. Let's see. You made it, Karen. Yeah, I know. I don't know. I know it's your settings. I just, it's hard to get there. Hey, Frank. A long time no see. Frank was in our class yesterday. Jimmy and I did a great law class. It was really good. Really, really good. Let's look at the $1 million homes. We have 872 that have been sold this year, which is almost 4.5 a day. And last year we were only doing like 1.5 a day. So big difference this year. We have 470 available $1 million plus homes on the market. That's a good number. And I always like to draw your attention to the equity. That's a big, something that you can really, really, really shout out to. You're on your iPhone. Well, that might make a difference. Is that usually your problem, maybe, Karen? I don't know. I'm sorry. If you're ever up in my area, I get to the office around 10, and we usually leave before 4. But anyway, just stop by in my office. I've been trying to get down to your side of town, but I haven't been able to. But let me know when you're over there doing your class, maybe on I think you do your sales meetings on Sunset. Anyway, just let me know sometimes when you're close by. And but I think that you need your computer to fix the issue, but we'll talk about that. Let's move on here.